judgments that have come today. One is the Honorable Madras High Court judgment. The second is the Honorable Supreme Court judgment, where our Tamil Nadu BJP State Secretary Sri Vinod P. Selvam has moved an urgent petition yesterday evening. In both the judgments, the Honorable Courts have made it absolutely clear there is no ban anywhere whatsoever for telecasting, for giving annadana, for doing special puja in private places, in private temples. In case of HRNC run temples, all the bhaktas have to do is give a prior intimation to the officers who are present inside the temple. In fact, the Supreme Court has come very hard. When the AAG was appearing on behalf of the state government mentioned that they haven't issued any orders to ban, our council and even Mr. Tushar Mehta, who was representing the government of India, has mentioned the order appears to be oral. The Honorable Supreme Court has mentioned that Constitution of India applies to every part. That is what Tushar Mehtaji's argument was. The Honorable Supreme Court has mentioned that since there is no written order, no speaking order, the government of Tamil Nadu cannot ban anywhere the live telecast, proceeding, bhajans, even food distribution across Tamil Nadu. And the Honorable Supreme Court has further said, in case of any further ban, the Supreme Court will again inquire into all of those bans, all of those orders in the coming days. Also, Justice Dibankar Datta, the Honorable Supreme Court judge, has clearly mentioned, in some of the cases the rejection order mentions that there are minority religious people present, brothers from Muslims and Christian community present. That is why the police have rejected. The judge has come very hard on that, also saying that it is your duty to regulate, not to ban. So overall, it is a victory to the people of Tamil Nadu. It is victory to all the people who believe in Dharma. We are very happy that the police forces, which was using all the draconian measures from morning, they are pulling back now. In the next 1 hour, the Prana Pratishtha of Lord Rama, the people of Tamil Nadu will be a part of this historic occasion in the next 1-2 hours. It has come to such a state where the Honorable Governor of the state had to visit a temple in the morning. He had to use that kind of language. It's very, very unfortunate. That is what is happening in the state. And Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, she is participating in a function in a private temple. There the police have entered and removed all the screens. Very, very unfortunate. Now they have put the screen back in the same temple based on the court's order. We have never seen a government interfering into people's religious faith like what DMK is doing now. Not only is it condemnable, people of Tamil Nadu will teach DMK a fitting lesson in 2024 parliamentary elections. We are very clear about that.
About the temple nearby Karunanidhi's house where
Sir, our local party cadres, leaders and the people of this area has invited us to this temple. It is a very famous Perumal temple here in Gopalapuram. So we wanted to be a part of this very historic process by being present in this temple. We are very happy that the people of this colony, Gopalapuram area, has given us a chance to come and join them to view this historic occasion.
നമസ്കാരം. തമിഴ്നാട് BJP അധ്യക്ഷൻ കെ അണ്ണാമലൈ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന ദൃശ്യങ്ങളാണ് നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ കണ്ടത്. അദ്ദേഹം പ്രാണപ്രതിഷ്ഠാ ചടങ്ങ് സംപ്രേഷണം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനും അന്നദാനം നടത്തുന്നതിനും സ്വകാര്യ ക്ഷേത്രങ്ങളിൽ പൂജ നടത്തുന്നതിനും എവിടെയും വിലക്കില്ല എന്ന് പറയുകയാണ്. രേഖാമൂലമുള്ള ഉത്തരവ് അതിനില്ല. തമിഴ്നാട് സർക്കാരിന് അയോധ്യയിൽ നിന്നുമുള്ള തത്സമയ സംപ്രേഷണവും നടപടികളും നിരോധിക്കാൻ കഴിയില്ല എന്നുമാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറയുന്നത്. രാവിലെ മുതൽ വളരെ ക്രൂരമായിട്ടുള്ള നടപടികളൊക്കെ തന്നെ പ്രയോഗിച്ച പോലീസ് കുറച്ച് സമയത്തിന് ശേഷം അതൊക്കെ പിൻവലിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അത് ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷം നൽകിയിരുന്നുവെന്നും അദ്ദേഹം പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. എന്തൊക്കെ തന്നെ ആയാലും നടന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഉണ്ടായ തടസ്സങ്ങളൊക്കെ തന്നെ ഭേദിച്ച് ഇന്ന് അയോധ്യ രാമക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ പ്രാണപ്രതിഷ്ഠ അതിഗംഭീരമായി തന്നെ നടന്നു. ഒരുപാട് പേരുടെ സ്വപ്നം കൂടിയാണ് ഇന്ന് പൂർത്തിയായത്. വെബ് ഡെസ്ക് തത്വമയി ന്യൂസ്.
ദിഗന്ത റിസോർട്ട്, അഹമ്മദാബാദ്, ഗുജറാത്ത്.